welcome to Fusion Exchange. We're so happy you're able to join us today from all across the region. I'm Jeanne, the Vice President of the Value Experience Group here at SAP Concur. Together with my colleague, Rhonda Hogan, Vice President of Marketing for SMB North America, we're going to take a look at what you can expect from this jam-packed agenda, along with our own top picks for sessions you're not going to want to miss. Rhonda and I spend a lot of time talking to customers to understand and address the challenges and opportunities they're facing. Many of the themes I'm hearing are both consistent and familiar. There's no doubt volatility remains on the minds of every organization, no matter the size or the industry. So Rhonda, I'm not sure about you, but I'm feeling like the phrase, "we're all in this together," has never been more true.
I totally agree, Jeanne. I also have the good fortune to meet with many peers across the industry, including those who are exploring our solutions for the first time, and the sentiment is the same. Change is happening, and it's happening rapidly, and we have no choice but to adapt. And to do that, organizations are turning to partners with the expertise they can trust, who offer stable, flexible solutions to help them manage this change.
Fully agreed, Rhonda. But in the face of change caused by everything from supply chain disruptions to geopolitical issues and the climate, I'm seeing tremendous adaptability and resilience. Businesses are becoming more comfortable with these shifting sands, addressing them as kind of an ongoing part of their business strategy, as opposed to these one-off events that in the past may have caught them unprepared. And at SAP Concur, we're committed, along with our entire partner ecosystem, to helping you meet your goals, whatever the situation. And that starts right now as we share practical, accessible ways to bring out the very best in your SAP Concur solutions and your organization. Okay, Rhonda, should we address the question that's on everybody's mind?
Jeanne, I think we should.
Yeah, for those of you who are wondering, yes, we will absolutely be talking about AI today. In case you haven't noticed, it's kind of a big thing and it's moving fast. According to Gartner, the number of companies going live with AI solutions has doubled in just 6 months through January 2024. And you know that number's even higher now.
And that can leave even a seasoned pro feeling a little adrift. We recently conducted our annual CFO Insights research and found that 58% of respondents believe they understand very little about AI as it relates to finance. And another 46% said they urgently need training. And I'm guessing it's not just finance professionals who feel that way. That's why our session, AI, The Future is Here, is one of our top picks to delve into a topic that stokes our imaginations, but at the same time can be a little daunting. Don't worry. No matter what your experience level, you will deepen your AI know-how and learn how to utilize this technology to improve your spend management processes and enhance overall compliance.
That's a really great pick, Rhonda. Was there anything else that caught your eye on the agenda? Perhaps something in the world of travel?
Oh, yes, Jeanne, for sure. It's really hard not to notice an increase in travel, particularly as travel has been booming this summer in North America, and there's sure to be an uptick in business travel this fall. Travel has returned as a dominant factor in business success. In fact, our recent Global Business Traveler report cited a whopping 67% of travelers considered hitting the road critical to their careers. And that's why I'm really excited about our session, the new Concur Travel Deep Dive on Recent Innovations. The new Concur Travel is one of the biggest development efforts taken in the history of Concur. We've taken a comprehensive approach to the entire travel process, from researching your trip to simplifying expenses and everything else in between. And you'll get to see firsthand how we're meeting today's travel realities and thinking about tomorrow's. I'd greatly encourage all of you to put your questions in the chat during this and all sessions that you attend.
That's a great tip. Also, you mentioned how travel is critical to the success of many employees. And that's really a perfect segue into the topic of employee experience, something that's truly baked into the DNA of all our solutions. We've heard from many customers that simplicity is at the top of their mind in delivering a positive experience for their employees. Being able to self-resolve issues is a great way to achieve simplification by reducing barriers that slow down processes and frustrate users. So that's why I highly encourage you to attend one of our Bring Your Own Computer, or BYOC, sessions, where you can follow along in a hands-on training for reporting or audit rules. The goal here is to help you feel really confident about getting the best from your solutions as easily as possible.
Now, those were just a few of our top picks, but there are so many more best practice sessions and resources for you to explore today. You can attend our Ask the Expert session to get your questions answered live, or stop by the Concur Travel and Spend or Data and Reporting booth to chat through the day. And I'd recommend that you take advantage of every opportunity to network with your colleagues, view on-demand content, and so much more. Now remember, the conversation doesn't stop here. If you have questions on anything you discovered today, click on the Learn More button within each session, and someone from the Concur team will be in touch.
And with that, we'd like to wish everyone a great time at our virtual Fusion Exchange experience. We hope you find today's sessions both informative and enjoyable. We want you to come away ready to tackle new opportunities in your own organizations to become a change maker. Enjoy the day.